Hi, class. Today I want to talk to you about how we identify the null and alternative hypotheses for an experiment with one population proportion. It's not much different from the stuff that we've done before, just with uh, now we're doing it with proportions instead of not. So some definitions, the null hypothesis, again, this is H0. It's just a statement, but there's no effect. There's no difference. Like there's nothing to see here. You state something about a population parameter. In this case, we're going to be talking about a proportion parameter, but still dealing with the population. But the null hypothesis is still the null hypothesis. The alternate hypothesis, again, is a statement that will contradict the null hypothesis. It can take one of three forms. If you're going to say in your null hypothesis that your population proportion parameter is equal to something, then your alternative hypothesis is going to be not equal to that same thing, or it's going to be less than it, or it's going to be greater than it. So if you're saying it's not equal, it's a two-tailed test. Less than or greater than, that's going to be right-tailed or left-tailed. Greater than would be right-tailed, less than would be left-tailed. So when we put something like this to use, let's pretend a hospital claims that at least 85% of patients are satisfied with their care. That's pretty good, 85% satisfaction rate. A nurse suspects, however, that the satisfaction rate is lower. I would suspect so too. The hypotheses would be H0, your null hypothesis, is that your P is equal to 0.85. And for your alternate hypothesis, alternative, P is less than 0.85. And that's it. That's all there is to it. It's literally just like we've learned before, but now we're playing with proportions instead of playing with everything else. I'll be talking more about proportions later this week, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.